Holy moly. She looks like she's gonna hurt herself. You're gonna wear her out before bed, which is good.
I'm gonna get you! Very similar burglary.
Oh my god. Holy crap. See, this is what my mom's talking about. Look, Jillian will do that with my mom and she won't be expecting it.
Really?
Yeah, she's like, I gotta be quick with this one. She'll try to dive off a table. Because she's just expecting somebody to catch her.
Stand up!
Oh my god.